Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to record the slow motion video on your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first, we need to open the camera application, and now we have to tap more over here. Here, as you can see in the middle, we do have slow motion. If we tap slow motion, and if we tap this button, the recording will start. Now we can do a lot of things that are fast and quick. Let me just record a quick video of the proof. And now let me play this video. As you can see, instead of 10 seconds, it's 1 minute and 12 seconds. That's actually how slow mode works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. Yes, it's me in the background. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!